Hey everybody, this is Rob Harrell with MarineMax in Charleston. Hope you're having an awesome day. Today we were looking at a 2025 totally new boat from Sea Ray SPX 210. Completely redesigned hull and redesigned interior. This boat is equipped with a Mercury 200. Plenty of power for this boat. As you can see, I have a full transom that I can stand on back here. Come on, let's check the boat out. Now I'm getting ready to walk through the back of the boat. When you have an outboard motor, first of all, you can see tons of storage right here. You have a cooler also in your walk-through transom area. Another cooler here. It is literally going to be impossible to beat the interior comfort of this boat for a 21-foot. Another cooler here as well. Storage all over this boat. You have a rear seating section. This piece actually can come out. This piece revolves back and forth. As you can see, you have a flip-up bolster seat too, so you have plenty of room to stand. You have a Simrad, Fusion stereo. This boat holds 12 people. As you can see, we have a bow filler as well in the front, so if you want to lay out into the sun. This boat also is equipped with a sports tower, so you can wakeboard and do all water sports you would like. Absolutely incredible running boat on the water. If you would like to see this boat or anything like this, please come down, check us out at MarineMax.com. You can reach us at 843-747-1889. Let's get on the water.